In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks. If you've accidentally deleted or voided a transaction, don't worry. In many cases, you can use QuickBooks Audit Log to find the original details and recreate the entry accurately. It's important to understand that deleted transactions usually aren't restored with a single undo button. Instead, QuickBooks lets you review the record of what was removed so you can rebuild it correctly. To begin, go to the Settings icon in QuickBooks, then look under the Tools section and select Audit Log. This area keeps track of activity in your company file, including changes, deletions, and voided transactions. It's one of the most useful places to check whenever something seems to be missing. Once you're in the Audit Log, open the Events drop-down and check the option for deleted or voided transactions. This will filter the list so you can focus only on items that were removed or voided instead of scrolling through every account activity update. If you need to make your search faster and more precise, you can also narrow the results by user or by date. That can be especially helpful if you know roughly when the transaction was deleted or which team member made the change. After filtering the list, locate the transaction you want to restore. When you find it, go to the History column and click View. This opens the available details for the original transaction, such as the transaction date, amount, accounts involved, payee, and other key information. Take a moment here to review everything carefully so the replacement entry matches the original as closely as possible. If QuickBooks gives you the option to click Copy to New or a similar copy button for that transaction type, use it. This is the quickest way to draft a replacement because QuickBooks will automatically create a new entry using the information from the deleted one. You should still review the draft before saving just to make sure all fields are correct. If that copy option isn't available, simply recreate the transaction manually using the details shown in the audit log. Enter the same information carefully, paying close attention to dates, amounts, and account selections, since even a small difference can affect your books. That's all it takes to restore a deleted transaction in QuickBooks. Using the audit log helps you recover the information you need and recreate the record with confidence.